never thought this portable car vacuum my husband got would be so useful. This is the Fantic Slim V8 Apex and it works absolutely amazing. We originally bought it just because sand from beach trips was such a hassle to clean out of our car. But now I end up using it all around the house way more often. It comes with tons of interchangeable attachments, so it reaches every tricky corner around the home. Pet hair, kids, snack, crumbs all over the sofa, it cleans all of them effortlessly. What's more, it does 4 jobs in one: vacuuming, blowing, air inflating. It's insanely practical. It's insanely practical if you're looking for a handy helper for your home and car. Click the link down below to check it out right now.